12/8/21. We're in 6th period. Put my name on there just for fun. Okay, so we have a company that offers their customers 2 plans for internet service. Plan A is $30 for the modem and $5 per month for the service. Plan B, the modem is free, but you pay $10 per month. This is really good pricing, number one. Anyway, okay, so cost of Plan A. So what equation could we write to represent the Plan A equation? I'll give you a hint. It starts with y equals. Addison?
Y equals 5x plus 30.
Yep, 5x, so $5 per month plus the $30 for the modem. And how about Plan B? What would be our equation for that? Hayden?
Y equals 10x.
Yep. Perfect. Okay, so now we're going to graph these, and then we'll answer some questions about them. So we have the increments already given to us. You can fill in more if you want. I don't really like to. But you can see that these go up by $5 and these go up by single months. So you have to pay really close attention to those increments. So for Plan A, I'm going to use my colored pencil just for you. You guys don't need it right now. You can go back and color if you want later. I'm going to use yellow again. Bless you. And then Plan B will be blue. And the reason we want to color code these is because you're going to have to answer questions and you need to know which line is which, right? So that way you can keep track on the graph. Yeah, we'll get the color pencil.
Write A and B like
you can, if that's easier. Okay, so Plan A, I'm going to start at 30, and I'm going to go up $5 each month. All right, so this is Plan A. I'm going to color that yellow so I remember that that's Plan A. And then Plan B starts at 0, but it goes up $10 every month.
Oh, do we need color pencils?
Yeah, you can get them in just a little bit here. Once we're done doing these couple together, I'll give you guys a second to get color pencils. Okay, everybody's graph should look like this. Yeah? Easy to see A and B because they're colored. So again, you can do that in just a minute after we've practiced a couple. So let's answer some questions. After how many months the cost of both plans are the same? Somebody said it. 6, right? Because that's my X value. At that point, both plans will cost, yep, $60. Okay, so this is my X value. This is my Y value. Okay. A little dollar sign there.
Can you show me the graph again? I graphed my mom. Oh.
Okay, so now we're going to ask, when is it better for you to go with Plan A? Meaning, at what point is Plan A an advantage? What do you think? Jackson?
You want to look for long term?
Long term? At least 6 months. Right? I don't know many people that change their internet plan every 6 months or so, but some people do. I don't have the time for that in my life, but some people, they'll jump around and get deals and, you know. So when is it better for you to go with plan B? Avery?
The most 6 months.
Yeah, so maybe short term. Less than 6 months. You're going to need internet service for 9 months. How much will you save by going with plan A as opposed to plan B? Hayden?
$15.
How did you do that?
I found the 9 months on the
Mhm.
graph, and then I found the same thing for both A and B,
Mhm.
and then I subtracted.
Yeah.
from A.
So 9 months for plan A is $75. For plan B, 9 months equals $90, right? So you go over to the 9 and up. Or you could have put 9 back into both equations to figure out what the price would be.
That's wrong.
So you would save $15. Isn't this so fun? Okay, let's do one more together. Ooh, this is an interesting graph.
Oh, wow.
This one's fun. All right, we can do this. Do you guys want your colored pencils? Go ahead and get colored pencils if you need them. Yellow and light blue or whatever colors you want. Just 2 different colors.
Are you sure? I think I'm gonna need that.
We need to organize.
Okay, so this one's a little different. At least the graph looks different, but it's still the same process. So we have 2 submarines are underwater. That's why our y-axis is in the negatives. So this would just be like quadrant 4. That's all we see here is quadrant 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Submarine A is currently 900 feet below the surface of the water and is ascending at a rate of 150 feet per minute. Submarine B is currently 400 feet below the surface of the water and is ascending at a rate of 50 feet per minute. What does ascending mean?
Going on.
It's coming closer to the surface, right? It's going up in elevation. So we're going to have positive slopes, right? They're not descending, they're ascending. Okay, so what is my equation going to be for submarine A? What do you think, Eden?
Y equals 150x plus 900.
Negative.
Yep. Minus 900. And then how about submarine B? Yes, Elizabeth.
Plus 400.
Y equals 50x minus 400, right? Because they're below the surface. So I've got my yellow and my blue. I'm going to go ahead and graph these. So these are going in increments of 50. How did we do on our graph? Decent? Okay, so after how many minutes the submarines are at the same, I'm going to change this word height to depth. Sorry. Kind of bothered me there. After how many minutes are they at the same depth? When does that happen? Grace V? 5 minutes. And at what time are both at that time both submarines are at what depth below sea level? Where are they? Addie?
150.
Yep. Negative 150 feet below sea level. And guys, sometimes people are like, do I put the negative? Do I not? I'm just putting the negative because our ordered pair would be 5, negative 150. Right? I know it seems weird to say negative and then feet below surface of the water. Like, it sounds weird grammatically, but I'm putting the negative for the ordered pair situation. When is submarine A below submarine B? Hayden?
Before 6 minutes.
Yep, for the first 5 minutes. When is submarine B below submarine A? Jackson?
After 5 minutes.
After 5 minutes. And then how long is submarine A at the surface before submarine B? How long do they get there before submarine B? Lux?
2 minutes.
2 minutes. Right, because they surface at 6, submarine B surfaces at 8. You guys think you can handle the rest of this?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.